back and happy 2022 everyone. So we are busy getting the Minion back together so we can make some crazy videos again this year. We got a refreshed gearbox, we got a new refreshed 4-button clutch, pressure plate and flywheel. So we're quickly gonna get the gearbox installed back, and then we also added a new master cylinder and extra strong brackets so it won't bend again and get our clutch all slippery. So yeah, we will be back racing very soon and taking or giving ride-alongs. And we have some t-shirts for sale if some of you wants to buy a t-shirt and support us. There you go, we sorted it out. It's starting, the gearbox prop shaft is in, Frikkie, Harry. We all had a good time working very hard. Let's give it a start, Harry. Frikkie, just keep that. Steek van 'n soort lonskontrole, sit ons op YouTube onder iets om na uit te sien.
Hierso gaan jy hoor as ek 'n paar skote skiet terwyl hy lonskontrole loop.
Running lekker nou. Jy self dood mannen. Okay, so after all our hard work and all the guys helping, all the guys repairing everything, I got it back, I reinstalled it, everything is refreshed, and now we will take a little test drive to see if everything holds up and looks good, and I'll take all of you along for the ride. Look what happens. Just want to get this seat belts on here. Okay. So first we'll do a little low boost run, go through all the gears, see what happens, and then we'll do a little high boost run and see how it acts. comment, like, subscribe. If there's something you would like to see on the channel that you don't see now, let us know. We will try to get everything in there to make it likable for everyone. And thanks for watching. The channel is growing. It's growing slow, but it's growing. And we're gonna have some racing and ride-alongs coming along very soon. Have a good one, everyone.